So you want to save, guys, some presets in Audacity. How you can do. So if I can help you with this short video, make sure you like this video and subscribe. So if I go here to effects, in here in effects I have let's say I go to the graphic EQ, then I will change this the way I like, and I preview this, I test this to see to just create the one that I want. Then after you test this and you play with the settings, you can actually set the presets, and this can save you a lot of time. Instead of using this preset again, or this those settings, you want to use those again, instead of just changing and making sure you exactly have the exact settings. You can actually save these settings. So you can go to here and save preset, and here you can write my preset, and then you can click on OK. And now if again I actually close, actually not right now, but you close Audacity, start again, and then you can go to effects, you can go to EQ, graphic EQ, and then here in presets you have saved presets. You can save again presets, but you can use presets, the one we created, and voila. This is so awesome and it's so helpful. Now if you want to delete a preset, click there and delete. Super helpful. And now if you, let's say you go to a different, I use a lot this compressor or normalize, and then here you can also see here presets and settings. So again, you can also here save preset as well as applying the preset. Of course, if you saved it, you can go now and click removal. Here you can save preset as well. Save preset, name the preset, and then here you should see your user presets, and you can use the exact preset. You can also go with anyways, just to factory reset that. But presets are something very commonly used, or a feature we have in Audacity, as we have in so many other softwares. So yes, you can use presets and it can really save you. So yeah, if you learned something, make sure you like the video and subscribe.